So in this video, we'll take a look at how to do homework in MyMathLab. In the last video, we looked at the general organization of MyMathLab a little bit. Um, and so if you're here, if you're trying to thinking about homework, you already looked at the videos, read the e-text, looked at the videos provided, section 4.2 again, just like in the previous video, and you're ready to do the homework. So to do the homework, you click on the homework link, and you will get to all the homework of chapter 4, but up here it'll tell you which section you're supposed to be working on, so you go ahead and click that. Now this is the instructor view. Now if you were a student, you wouldn't be allowed to do 4.2 unless you finished 4.1, but I'm going to jump to 4.2 as an instructor just to show you how to use the system. Alright, so when you click that, it tells you all the problems of section 4.2. In this case, there are 29 questions that you have to do for this section. And so I'm just going to pick the first one. And the question asks you what the y coordinate of this equation is if x is 4. So the answer to that, I believe, is 6. I'm going to type 6. And the nice thing about this system is right here, you get to check your answer instantly. Tells you if you did it right or wrong. So let me check the answer. Tells you I did the question right. And says, nice work, next question. So I'm going to move on to the next one. So on this one, I'm going to do this problem wrong. So I'm just going to guess that the answer is 5. I'm going to say check answer. And it tells me I did it wrong. And just going to keep guessing the same thing over and over again. It says final check right there. I'm going to guess that it says you did this wrong. The answer is this. Now, notice the choices you have. Right here, it says you can move on and then take the wrong on this one. Or you could say, give me a similar question. And if you answer a similar question, you get to essentially fix this mistake, right? So right now, this is incorrect. But if you say similar question, it'll give you a brand new problem that you can do and get right. Now, if you're wondering, well, what if I moved on to the next question? Can I still come back and fix my mistake? Absolutely. So right here, you can see that I've got one right, one wrong. I can go to this one, and down here I see similar questions. So I can click that, and it tells, and I get to redo a problem just like the one I did got wrong. Now, let's assume I don't understand how to do this problem and I want a little extra help. So if you go to question help over here, it'll help you many ways. So for example, help me solve this. Will one step you through the problem. View an example will show you an example of a problem like this. Takes you to the textbook. And finally, if these are not very helpful, one thing you can do is click this link. This sends an email of this question to me, the instructor, and I can take a look at it and respond to you via email saying, this is how you do the problem. So there is really no excuse for not making 100% on your homework after all, because you get to fix your mistakes. Whether you make 100% or not, remember, to be able to go from one section to the next in the homework, you have got to earn 80% minimum. So I have to, even if I get a few wrong, it's okay, but I have to get 80% overall on this homework assignment in order to move from 4.2 to 4.3. That's it for the homework.